Hello teachers, in this video I am going to tell you how can you download your quizzes, midterm papers and you can say final exam assignments from the VLE software. So how can you do that? It's my course engineering mechanics. So what you have to do, you have to go into the assignment for if you have to download the assignments and if you have to download the quizzes. So what you have to do, you have to click on this quiz and you have to go into it and then you have to go into the view all submission. If you want to get download the best copy, so for example this student got 3 out of 3 marks, so I will go into the grade section. And when I go into the grade section, so what I have to do, I have to click on this file. This you can see here, this is the PDF file over here. So when I click on it, so what will happen, it will come over here and you can see over here it is get downloaded. And what you have to do, you have to click on this, and when you click on this, it is not save it right now. So what do you have to do, you have to go into the download option here. And when you get into the download option, so you have to go into the desktop wherever you want to download it. So you have to click here, for example 2020 CV2. So it will come on your desktop. Let me show you how can you see this file. So let me show you the new share. And for example I am going to show you desktop. So when I am going to show my desktop, so what will happen, I am again going to check it out whether your screen is visible to you or not. So for example, you can see this is 2020 CV2. So let me go again here into the new share and I am going to on my VLE and let me share with you. For example, I want to download another copy. For example, it's an average copy. For example, if I want to download this copy here, so what I have to do, now I have to go into the grade section. And when I go there, so what I have to do, I have to click on this PDF file. I will click on it and what will happen, I will open this. You can see this folder here. And when I open it, it will open on my Chrome. And when I open it, so I have the download option here. Download option here. So I will go into the download here and I will save it on my desktop. So I am going to save it on my desktop. So when I save it, so it will get saved over here. So let me show you again. I am going to the new share and I am going to show you my desktop. So how can I show you my desktop? So let me share another again my desktop. How can I share my desktop? So let me show you new share. And I want to show for example I want to show here this. Let me show you and then I am coming back to my desktop screen, it will get shared to you. So now you can see it's a copy of Anwar Ali of whatever the section and whatever the badge is, you can see on my desktop. So it's very easy. And if you want to check your copy on the Adobe Acrobat Reader, so what you have to do, you have to click right and open with, and you have to go on Adobe Reader. So that is the way you can download the copies or quizzes, assignment, final copies, midterm copies from the VLE software. So hopefully you will understand it and you will get my point. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.